evening, ma'am. I'm April Cabansag from Book 5, and I'm going to report about the application of power amplifier. Now, power amplifier has different application according to their classes and power ratings. With AF amplifier, there is 3 basic classes of operation. That is A, AB, and B. These classes are based on the bias or how much bias is used in a circuit. Class A amplifiers have constant average current drain with or without signals, while classes A, B, and B have low current values with no signals and high current value with signals, which places a command on the power supply to maintain a constant voltage output. Because most of the time, the current flows in Class A amplifiers, it is said to have an operating angle of 360 degrees, and in Class AB with 300 degrees, and in Class B which about 200 degrees. All the power amplifiers has typical rated 8 ohms to 4 ohms load, and more are also giving ratings for continuous operation using 2 ohms load. Many of the better amplifiers on the market today are touting excellent performance with 2 ohms load impedance. Next is power amplifier has different application according to the classes and power ratings. Every classification of power amplifiers conducts different operations. Every ratings has its own application on what it will be drawn. So, why is amplifier is not 100% efficient? So, to make an amplifier 100% efficient, one needs to find way to make the output device not dissipate more power.